Welcome to another Map Business Online video. This might be an analysis map for a small business where you've imported some product information, just a spreadsheet, and you've brought in some information that can sit once it's symbolized on the map of places where you're actually doing business. Now you might actually want to bring in another data set, maybe a data set of airports, which I happen to have. And so you can walk through the import of that data set. This is by latitude and longitude. And we're just going to quickly bring them in. We'll let airport name be the key name on the dot. So now we've brought in these airports. Perhaps we want to change the symbol to reflect an airport. We could put a plane on there. We do have planes here, but I'm just going to go with that sort of dot that differentiates the data. So now we know where the airports are. You can see we've got the various names of the airports listed when you hover over them. And maybe we want to go to counties and think about, we've got counties selected here on our map, and think about population. And I've taken our population of, and you can see here, if we went in by demographic data, I could go down and grab, you can see here all these different age brackets, and you can see there's different age brackets here listed, 65, 70, 75, 80. But I want to bring all of those old duffers into one file, so I did some calculations here using my county functionality over here. I went in and created a calculated data column. Population age is 65 plus, so I've consolidated the data in my demographic from my demographic files. And so when I want to go in and work with that county level, I go in, look for calculated data. There's my data set. There was only one in there. And now I can color code my counties based on that scheme. This is basically the map application has decided, okay, here's a breakdown that makes sense for the map application. Let's see what that looks like. So that gives us sort of a nationwide view of where all the most old duffers are, which is going to be those orange areas. And you could fine tune that. You could go back in and say, well, I want to just maybe not show anything less than, say, 2,500 per county, and we'll go up to 5,000 with that. And you can see that the overall target here is, I mean, there's like 1 million people in one of the counties. So you can make this kind of expansive as you go. It's up to you. It's all something that you can control. So make sure I got enough zeros there. Make sure I got enough there. And then we'll go up to 500,000 with that one. And let's see what that looks like. So that changes it a little bit. So depending upon what your company might need in order to really display, pertinent information about their business, you can tweak the product and get those data sets with demography and your data and maybe infrastructure data like airports or other data that's pertinent to your business in the map so that you can make some strategic decisions about what's happening with your business for next year. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.